I like your cut, G.
Holy frick. You good? Dang. You can just shut it off. You good?
I'm good. Is the bike good?
Yeah, it looks fine to me. I think you're still in gear.
Yeah.
Dang, did you just go over that like giant log?
I think so. I went too fast.
Yeah. Full send.
Whoopsie. I hope the bike is okay.
Yeah, it looks fine.
Looks okay?
Yeah.
Little grass, but okay. Let me pull it out.
You get hit.
Okay. I'm gonna follow you this time.
Yeah.
I don't really know where I'm going.
I've actually never been this way, so I probably would have done the same thing.
Oh, did I not go the right way?
No, I don't know. Well. No, I think I have been this way, maybe. I don't know.
I saw the jump coming and I tried to press the brake and I was like, oh no, there's no brake.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, sorry about that.
No, that's all good. That'll do it.
Idle for a bit. We'll just chill, because
Yeah.
just dip. Let me get off the drill.
That was kind of scary.
Yeah. I didn't know there was a lot of like stuff back here either. Like that. Yeah.
That was fun. I wish I could redo it, but no, it's coming.
Yeah.
Might have landed that better. But yeah, I'm good.
Alright, good man. You ready?
Yeah.